Right guys, back to work on Tuesday now. We've had bank holiday Monday out of the way. Another busy week. Got a fair few cars to get out. We've got a Tesla that's getting wrapped, that's going by the end of the week. We've got an A-Class which we're doing a back end repair to, that'll be going out. We've got a fair few others which you'll see as we go along. First, I want to say thank you for the feedback. We've had some brilliant feedback. I know everybody wants to see more. We're trying to cover as much as we can. Obviously, at the same time, we are busy and we can't have a camera around all the time. We need to just get on with stuff as well. But yeah, let's see how the rest of this week gets on and let us know what you think. We're just resetting the hinges on this bonnet because the pedestrian safety system has kicked in and it's basically blown the bumper up, which protects the pedestrian if they were to fall on the front of the car. So basically it's like makes the bonnet more softer for them to land on. But yeah, it's a bit of an inconvenience. Right, bring that down. Nope. Right, looks like it's having new hinges. Would have been nice to reset them. Right, price up brand new hinges as well. So we've just painted the front and rear bumper on the GTD, and now we've got the build up to do on it, mop and polish, and it'll be ready to go out. There it goes again, the phone that never stops. Cass, how are you? We've just had this delivered for us to do some subtle changes to it. It's a 911 Carrera S, I think it is. We're just going to do a couple of little changes to it. We've got the wheels that are going in satin black. We've got the calipers that are going in red, with the decals going back on, the Porsche decals going back on it, and we're also going to tint the windows. Do you know, I've always had a soft spot for these. These are really nice. How nice is this combo with the black with the red roof? Might have to price one of these up. Dechroming the E220D. Ready for Saturday for a customer who's coming up from Manchester to pick it up. That is absolutely perfect. Look at that, just to wrap a little grill. Got to remove the bumper. Just to wrap that. The whole bumper's got to come off. Just wrap that little piece there. Right. 1, 2, 3, and then this piece. That's it.
There's enough on that? More than enough?
Let's order some more. Let's order some more. I'll get this cutty done then ready so we can put this bumper back together. So we'll just replace this grille for this customer. He wants this E63 type grille, so we've just replaced it. Wrapped the bottom chromes, we're dechroming the rest of the car, we've dechromed this, gonna paint the wheels black, and yeah, that's it, getting ready to go out on Saturday. Yeah. Right guys, so the Porsche calipers are done. We've brought it over to the tint shop to get the boys here to get the windows tinted, ready for the customer to collect later on today, hopefully. This is Sharky, already starting to work his magic.
What's going on, guys? I'm just changing some brake pads on a GTD Golf. You missed the first bit, but I'm just putting the new pads in now. Just grease them up, locking them back into place. Then I'm going to do the other side, get the diagnostics back on it, and put the pistons back into position.
So the brake pads are done on the GTD Golf now, and the customer's requested for us to remove the GTD badge off the back. I think he wants to reposition it in the middle, not the new style. So we're just removing that off now, using still Scottish mountain water. No, it's not. It's not. It's pretty clean. But yeah, hopefully get it gone in the next couple of hours.
So Jess has dropped us this Porsche. We've tinted it in the 15% Supreme range from Solar Guard. All ready now, prep. Looks lovely. And now it's ready to go back to Jess for a final cleanup.
Right guys, the Porsche's all ready and done. Bit of change of plan. Although we were gonna spray the original wheels in satin black, we decided to change the whole setup, and we've ended up putting a set of Bossons on instead. It's got 22s on the back and it's got 21s on the front. I think it's a much better upgrade. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? What do you guys think? You can edit that, can't you? Right guys, that's another week done at the car clinic. Hope you guys enjoyed what you saw. Right, give you a little insight of what's happening next week. Firstly, we haven't finished the Tesla off yet because we're still waiting for the body kit. So that can't be revealed, you can't see any of that until next week now. But give you a little teaser of what's going to happen next week. We've got this Bentley Onyx Special, which is going to have a bit of paintwork, refurb on one of the wheels, and just a valet up before it goes out. And then we've got a Phantom here, which is going to get de-wrapped and it's going to get mopped, polished and detailed before it gets ready to put up for sale. If anyone is interested and is looking for a Phantom, give us a DM or message us. It's a 2011, 40,000 miles. If it's any good to anyone or anyone that knows anyone, give us a shout.